Are you passionate about helping others and building a career in healthcare? This is your moment. Join the Certified Nurse Assistant CNA or Caregiver course and become a skilled, confident, and professional caregiver, trained to serve the elderly, the sick, and those in need with dignity and compassion. At Jodan College, you enjoy hands-on training, clinical rotations in key hospitals, internship opportunities, assistance in job placement locally and overseas after completion, and modern, fully equipped training facilities, including skills labs. Na usijali kuhusu fees. Our fees are affordable with flexible installment payment plans ili kila mtu apate chance ya kusoma. For more information, call or WhatsApp 0723 111 999 or visit us at our new ultra-modern campus, Jodan Towers, Elimu Center, Kwame Nkrumah Street, Thika Town.